Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Louis was the king of France for just 20 minutes. Eating chocolate cake for breakfast can help you lose weight. Canada is the most educated country in the world. Grilled watermelon is used as a substitute to meat in many countries. This is Jimmy Wales, the founder of Wikipedia. There is a building in Japan which has a highway passing through its 5th, 6th and 7th floors. Motorola, the first company to produce a handheld mobile phone on April 3, 1973. According to Indian Sarais Act, you can walk into any hotel for using the washroom or getting a glass of water. Drinking moderate amount of alcohol before writing can actually enhance your creativity. Lemons have more sugar than strawberries. The stethoscope was invented because of a French doctor felt uncomfortable placing his hand on a woman's chest. The Dead Sea is so dense with salt that you can easily float on it. Every year, more than 115 million animals in the world are used for laboratory experiments. The main actor of The Gods Must Be Crazy was only paid $300 even though the film made over $60 million. Engineers from the University of Washington have created the first wireless steerable robotic camera. The 4 rings in Audi emblem represents the 4 companies of Auto Union. You can buy an entire Scottish island for $350,000. Stunning sand sculpture by Andoni Bastorica. Viagra, when dissolved in water, can make cut flowers stay erect for up to a week longer than they usually would. The word lol was added to the Oxford Dictionary in 2011. Samsung tests its phone durability by using a butt-shaped robot, as most people keep their phones in their back pocket. Psychology says night owls, people who stay up late, are more creative, intelligent and better at making life decisions. If you cut down a cactus in Arizona, you will be penalized up to 25 years in jail. Wiring an early IBM 405 computer by Berenice Abbott from a series documenting science 1938 to 1958. The longest English word that can be spelled without repeating any letter is uncopyrightable. A praying mantis trapped in amber, approximately 12 million years old. You are 3 times more likely to get a virus on your computer from a religious and ideological website than from a porn website. Being alone for a long time is as bad for your health as smoking 15 cigarettes per day. According to ancient myths, birthmarks show where you got killed in your past life. With the body of a parrot and the head of a vulture, the Dracula parrot is unnerving and beautiful all at once and is found only in the rainforest of New Guinea. An 11-year-old girl from Oxford, England, Venetia Burney, named the dwarf planet Pluto in 1930. If you yelled for 8 years, 7 months and 6 days, you would have produced enough sound energy to heat 1 cup of tea. The world's largest grand piano was built by a 15-year-old in New Zealand. Kilkenny, Ireland gave birth to twins Amy Ann and Cat Mary Elliott 7 days apart, making them the twins with longest interval between their births. Smoking cigarettes damage the blood vessels in the penis, causing it to shrink or be unable to gain an erection. A 55-year-old woman bought a $13 ring from a sale 33 years ago, thinking it was made of glass. She recently discovered it's a diamond ring. According to Switzerland's law, social animals like guinea pigs must have a buddy with them. Purple is known as a royal color. This man stopped smoking for 6 years and saved the money he used to spend on smoking to buy a car, then died in a car accident. On 1st April 2005, NASA pulled an April Fool's prank telling the world that they had found water on Mars. At what age you realize that the word computer means common-oriented machine, particularly united and used for technical and educational research? Human muscles are limited by our brain. Scorpion venom is the most expensive liquid in the world. A whole orange will float on water, but a peeled orange will sink. Thanks for watching.